Alright guys, I cooked a steak, some potatoes, peppers, and onions. I'm going to cut the steak, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, looks good. That is good. Try these peppers, onions, potato. Really good. I was cooking all this on the Firebox stove, and pretty simple, pretty easy. Works really well. I used lump charcoal that I brought with me. You can use wood, sticks, things you can just gather around. They don't want you to gather wood for firewood or whatever, so rather than looking suspicious, I just decided to go ahead and bring some lump charcoal, and plus it burns pretty good and pretty quick. So there you have it. Easy meal while camping, and we'll dig into this. So we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. If you want one of these t-shirts, get a hold of me. We don't have them on our shop right now, but we can get them out shipped to you for about $15. We have them in green or gray, and then you can get the color, or you can get just the black logo. So just shoot us an email, tell us what you want, what size you want, and if we have them in stock, we'll get them right out to you. If not, we'll let you know how long it'll take, and we'll go from there. You can also get our stickers for $3, our patches for, I believe, $4 online, and then we have the little hat pins, lapel pins. They're the metal ones for $8, and all those prices are shipped. So go to our website at thewoodsonline.tv/shop, and you'll be able to find all that there. So have a good one, and we'll see you later. Bye.